Hey everyone, Simon here from Tech That Doesn't Bite. In today's video, I'll show you how to burn an audio CD on macOS Tahoe using the Music app, so you can enjoy your favorite songs in your car, stereo, or any CD player. Before we start, make sure you have either an internal or external CD or DVD burner connected to your computer. You can pick up an external USB drive for around $20 to $30. You'll also need a blank CDR or CDRW disc. Here's the difference. A CDR can only be recorded once. Once you've burned your songs, they're permanent. A CDRW, on the other hand, stands for rewritable, which means you can erase and reuse it multiple times. For most people, a CDR works best for creating standard music CDs that play in cars and home players. Once you have plugged in your drive and insert a blank CD, you'll see a window pop up like this. This is macOS recognizing the disk and asking what you want to do. It gives you several options, things like Open Finder, Ignore, and Eject. The option we want here is Open Finder. Go ahead and click the OK option. Now launch the Music app. We're going to be using this app to make the audio CD. Then we're going to make a playlist under the playlist section. Right-click on an empty space and select New Playlist. Give your playlist a name. For this example, I named my playlist Burn. Next, just drag and drop your music files into the playlist. Remember that standard CDs usually hold around 700 megabytes, so keep an eye on your file sizes. Once you've added everything you want, you're ready to burn. Right-click on your playlist, you'll see the Burn to Playlist to Disk option. When you click it, the burn settings windows will appear. I recommend that you pick a slower speed, like 8x or 16x, especially for audio CDs. I had issues burning an audio CD when I leave it at the maximum burn speed. After choosing a speed, click Burn, and your Mac will start writing all the files to the CD. You'll see a progress bar showing you how long it'll take. Depending on how much you're burning, this could take a few minutes for it to finish. When the burn is complete, your audio CD will appear on the desktop, and you'll be able to play it with the Music app or a different music player of your choice. And that's it! You now know how to burn a CD on macOS Tahoe from start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech walkthroughs, and drop a comment if there's anything else you'd like a step-by-step guide on. Also, if you're looking for a tutorial on how to burn an audio CD on Windows 11, you can check out that video right there.